This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your apps on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. So this is easy to do. There's no way to do actually on the phone settings. We need to go to the Google Play Store and then just search for App Lock. So type in app space lock, and I'm going to go to the first option here, AppLock Pro. Tap on this, install this, open it up, and then just accept the permissions. So we just need to go to allow, search for App Lock, and allow it. So it's ready to go now. And then we can go to the unlocked versus locked apps on the top. So if you want to lock something, just go to the unlock, then tap it. So if I go to like the camera option right here, I can go to locked, and the camera is now locked. So when you open up the app the first time, you're going to have to type in a password PIN, and this camera app should lock now before I go ahead and use it. So here's the little lock I have to type in. 1111 is the PIN I created, and now I should be able to use the camera. So it's very easy to go ahead and use. Sometimes you'll get some ads with this, but look for AppLock Pro and you should be good to go.